Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be making mouth-savory pasta. Sorry that I missed my last two anniversaries, but I'm definitely going to make up for it. Alright, hope you enjoy. Cut 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. Then add 1 to 3 tablespoons of oil and then some cumin seeds. Do this on medium-high heat. After a few seconds, add your onions. When your onions are brown, add your ground beef or any type of meat that is ground. Make sure to mix it around once in a while. Cook it until your meat is cooked. Now add about 5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And now put half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now add about 1 teaspoon of salt. After about 5 minutes, put in 1 bottle of marinara sauce. Put in about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now put in 1 packet of spaghetti in a pot of boiling water and then 3 teaspoons of ketchup. Stir the spaghetti once in a while. I cooked the pasta about 10 minutes, so it's al dente. After 10 minutes, drain your pasta. Now I put in some Greek yogurt, but you can put in ricotta cheese. I'd recommend ricotta cheese. I put about 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Taste if salt is needed. After about 5 minutes of simmering, I put the pasta in and then I stirred it around. Now I put some Parmesan cheese, as much if you like. Then put in 3 tablespoons of black pepper and then cook for 5 more minutes. Now enjoy!